Today is day 3, and I'm so thrilled to have you. I'm so excited for today's meditation. Throughout this experience, I'm going to be giving you all different types of meditation prompts and mantras and tools to use. I want you to continue to use what works for you, be open to something that you've never done before, and then just throw away, toss it in a dumpster fire if you don't like it. If it doesn't work, then you don't have to do it. There's lots of different tools and methods that I use every day in addition to meditation and then inside my meditations. And some days they work and some days they don't. Doesn't matter. Just do what's good for you in the moment. Hello, Cody. What's going on, Graham? Hello, Christy. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to practice observing. We've been observing our breath without judgment, just curiosity, without judgment always. And today we're going to take it a step further. So we're going to get into the meditation. I'm going to take you over that threshold into the sacred space like I have before. And then we're going to take a really practical approach to managing anxiety, managing tension, and the physical reaction that we have to anxiety, which often gets overlooked or downplayed as just being psychosomatic and it doesn't matter, or it's just all in your head. People will say that. But the physical reactions, the physical manifestations of anxiety are absolutely real. I have dealt with them. It can range from numbness and tingling to being paralyzed, almost feeling paralyzed, to pain. So we're going to deal with that too. Thank you for sitting through that long intro today. I promise the meditation won't be so long. So if you could just go ahead and find your easy or comfortable seat wherever you are. Sit up nice and tall, and do that by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears, just like this. And then exhaling and allowing your shoulder blades to roll down and along your spine. Maybe try that again. This should have you sitting up nice and tall. You can pretend that a string is pulling from the top of your head, right here at the crown, up to the ceiling or the sky. Let your belly be loose though. I know that sitting up sometimes takes some extra support and you want to engage that core strength, but we're not exercising here. We're just sitting and being with ourselves. So if you could allow your belly to just be a little bit loose, stop sucking it in if you are. And just relax into this moment. So your chest is nice and open, shoulders broad. Your hands can be resting on your knees or your thighs, downturned or upturned to receive the energy around you. And it feels safe, and if it feels safe right now, go ahead and close your eyes. If you prefer not to close your eyes, just pick a spot on the wall across the room from you, or you can look at the screen or an object. In almost all my meditations, I start by asking you to direct your attention to your breath as it is in this moment. No need to change a thing. Just focus on your easy inhales and exhales as they enter and exit your body. Through your nose if that's comfortable, and out of your mouth. At this time, I want to guide you to imagine a threshold. It could be one that enters into your home or another space that makes you feel very comfortable. But I want you to imagine a threshold to a beautiful, comfortable, warm, inviting, and peaceful space. Because that's where you're going to sit in your meditation today, energetically. So with your next inhale and exhale, go ahead and step over that threshold into that space and imagine yourself taking a seat there. Your space is safe, warm, quiet, and peaceful. It is perfect for you and your journey to peace and calm. It is perfect for this meditation today. Take a moment to settle into your space. Look around. Notice what's there. Notice how pleasing everything in this space is to all of your senses. The sights, the sounds, touch, feel the warmth holding you. Now, let's talk about the effect that our environments have on our bodies. How sometimes when we are reacting to our environments or circumstances, people, whatever happens in our day, we have these physical reactions too. We might hold tension in our faces, scrunching our foreheads, clenching our jaws. Maybe we shrug our shoulders, or we make fists with our hands, or we fidget to release tension, or attempt to release tension, but it doesn't really feel like it's working. Maybe you experience butterflies or belly aches, or pain in your gut. I want you right now to focus on whatever area of your body needs the most love right now. And with your next inhale, imagine yourself welcoming in healing, peace and calm, and send that breath right to that area of your body. Exhale and release just a little bit of that tension. Do that 2 more times with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. I sent my love to my heart space. It's where I always hold tension. My chest can feel like it's in a vice when I start to worry or wonder about the future. So when I send love to that area, I imagine a white light, a warm white light surrounding my heart and circling it in love. And then as I exhale, I just release any tension that I'm holding there. Something that you can do at any time throughout your day, whenever you feel tension building, worry building, anxiety creeping in, is to give your body a quick scan and release tension that you might be holding in all areas. And just the act of observing and paying attention to each area allows it to relax a little more. Remember that when you pay attention, when you give it love, it will respond in kind. Starting at the crown of your head, move down, observe your forehead, and release any tension you might be holding there. Allow it to relax. The muscles behind your eyes, relax. Your mouth, your jaw, let it open just a bit. Maybe allowing your tongue to rest on the roof of your mouth. Your shoulders, allow them to fall. Your belly is nice and loose. Your hands are open. First, like starfish, spread your fingers wide and soften. Imagine your attention traveling from your hips down to your knees, down to your ankles. And as your attention travels, your muscles relax. And now imagine all tension from all parts of your body exiting out of your feet, down through your toes. Let's give yourself a big internal cleanse with a big inhale. Exhale, make sure everything is wiped nice and clean. Inhale and relax fully. Bring your attention to your body once again. Just double check to make sure that anywhere that might be holding on to any little thing, we're just going to scrub it clean with one more big inhale, sending love right to that spot. And exhale. Remind yourself throughout the day that when you exhale, you can release any tension, any worry, any dis-ease along with it. Allow it to carry out any negative energy, anything that you don't want to hold on to. Allow it to carry it out with it. Bring your attention back to your breath. Notice your easy inhales and exhales. Long, deep, and smooth. Notice how relaxed you feel in this moment, how your belly is soft, loose. Notice how good everything feels in your body right now. And I'm going to lead you out of your meditation with 3 inhale and exhale cycles. Do this with me. Inhale and exhale fully. Inhale, make your belly nice and soft and round. Exhale all the way out. One last time. We're going to open our eyes after this. Inhale. And exhale, open your eyes. It's so odd to come back and then be looking at myself on my phone. I'm just going to leave y'all here. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Remember to share this with your friends and your family and anyone that you love or maybe you don't love but could use a little calming down. Share this link too. All the important links are in the video description. I would love to see you in my Bliss Circle group call this Sunday the 13th at 8 p.m. Eastern. So go check out that link on Patreon. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern.